Okay, welcome to the part 2 of this video, and please remember to watch part 1 and let's go.
This is a seriously kids orientated. We are at the Egg Splash Cafe and Shop. Look at the design, the shops, the chairs. So cute. Very beautiful. And outside of this restaurant, we have the splash area where you can play water. So remember to bring some clothes for your kids to change.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a very quick information on what the people in Bird Paradise told me, okay? So actually all the aviaries, they are actually linked. So when you enter, whether you go for the penguin or you go for the Africa, it will always link all the way to the last stop, which is the theater where the show is. So let's say you were to walk in and you come at 9 o'clock, you want to go for the 10 o'clock show. If you walk fast enough, actually if you go through all the aviaries, you will reach the theater. Okay, so that's it. We will continue to explore Bird Paradise.
Are you sure how's the playground? You knock your head. How's the playground? Good. Is it difficult? Yes.
No, I should know.
You didn't know. Oh, okay. This is the food court. The drink store, Western, Chinese food, roast food, Japanese food. Just to share a little info with you, there's only 2 stations, Station 1 and Station 2. So you see from the entrance, right, when you come in, all the aviary is linked, you see? Link, and all will end up at Central Plaza, which is near to the Abbey Theatre. So you just have to link, you see, link. What you want to do? Penguin? We're going to Penguin at the last one. Now we're coming here because the rest we go already. Later we come back, we'll come back here, then we'll go back already.
What is this?
This is the playground. Central Plaza is where we play playground.
Here, the trampoline,
Then there's the food court lah. The food court was here. Just now we're eating here. Egg Splash. So that was this is the only water game that they have. Okay, let's go. Now we are going to Heart of
But I
Say
want to,
Africa.
But I
Say
want
Africa first. Say Africa.
to take the rock.
Oh.
The shaky.
Lily pad again. Lily pad is a crimson wetland. Okay, come, let's go. The other side. Oh, look at that. Look at that. They created some holes on the wall as nests, and you have like the birds sitting there. Look like they are natural habitat. Watch the last first part video. We actually in this first Okay, so anyway, right, there's no eating and drinking in the aviary, okay? So just now there's a group that was eating, told them not to drink, they still like act blur. So guys, there's no eating and drinking because the birds will come and eat your food lah. So I think it's common sense, it's either they eat your food, they die, or they get a habit that people bring food and then they start attacking or what. You just spoil the whole behavior of the whole Bird Paradise, okay? So please do not eat or drink inside the aviary. You want can go and eat and drink, okay? Thank you. Okay, so now we are at the 12 o'clock show. The 12 o'clock show. Look at the crowd, guys. Look at the crowd. This is 12 o'clock, okay?
So thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, and I see you in the next episode. And